Inside the 1 million-pound cassava starch factory, where modern processing and washing technology create silky white starch.
Across tropical regions of the world, cassava grows quietly beneath the soil, forming the foundation of modern starch production.
Hidden underground, cassava tubers mature for months, quietly storing powerful reserves of natural starch.
Harvest timing is critical. Too early or too late can drastically reduce starch yield.
At full maturity, the harvest begins, releasing months of stored starch from the earth. Once removed from the soil, cassava begins a race against time. From this moment forward, nature gives way to precision industry.
When maturity is reached, harvesting begins, choflo, not by hand alone, but at industrial scale.
In a single motion, months of underground growth are released from the earth. Each root holds the starch potential that drives global industry. Within hours of harvest, natural breakdown begins. The journey from soil to factory begins immediately. Speed is critical. Cassava must reach the factory within hours of harvest. At peak harvest, logistics never stop, day or night. Proper airflow protects starch quality during the journey. The destination is Precision Pausin, a factory built for speed. Every delivery is tracked, measured, and logged. For the plant to operate, the flow must never stop. This is where raw harvest enters the world of precision manufacturing. Every kilogram is measured before processing begins.
Quality begins before the first machine ever starts.
Even small variations can affect final purity. From this point on, every second matters.
Each rotation strips away the past, layer by layer.
Water and motion work together in perfect repetition. Before any processing begins, every trace of soil must be removed. The system never stops and only flows. Only perfectly cleaned roots move forward. Once cleaned, precision takes control. Flow consistency determines efficiency. Every gram is tracked.
Imbalance is corrected instantly.
Stability is the foundation of purity. The transformation is about to begin.
This is where structure is destroyed, Belinda, by design.
In seconds, structure becomes fluid.
The goal is total cell rupture.
Starch exists locked inside microscopic cells governed, until now. Power replaces patience. The factory now handles liquid starch. From this point forward, starch moves as a liquid. Flow is maintained by pressure, not gravity.
The movement never stops, only changes direction.
Control ensures consistency. Pipes replace pathways. Purity comes next. Here, separation replaces destruction. Fiber and starch part ways.
Nothing is wasted.
Precision occurs at the smallest scale. Byproducts become resources. The path toward purity continues.
What flows now is no longer raw, it is refined.
Each particle is nearly identical.
Purity is measured in real time.
Control creates calm.
Purity is visible before it is measured.
True purity lies ahead. Centrifugal force takes control. Here, physics performs the work of filtration.
Cleanliness increases with every pass.
Maximum purity, minimum water. Weight determines direction.
This is industrial purity. The system cleans by repetition.
Clean water meets clean starch in reverse.
Purity is built in circles.
Efficiency protects both product and planet. Consistency is engineered.
Purity is complete. Structure comes next.
Modern production cannot afford waste.
Time becomes the filter.
Biology completes the cycle.
Compliance is constant.
Nothing is lost. Sustainability is engineered. Optional, not optional.
Speed creates separation.
Density defines position. Power remains controlled. Power remains controlled. Liquid becomes substance. Heat will finish what force began. This is the last moment of stillness. Precision leaves no room for error.
Uniformity defines quality.
Heat waits above. Conditions must be exact. In seconds, everything will change. This is where heat replaces time.
Surface area multiplies instantly.
Moisture disappears almost instantly. From liquid to powder, Jinpain, in a single breath. Matter changes state in seconds. The transformation is complete.
Air gives way to gravity.
Weight defines direction to Kund again.
Centrifugal force separates again.
Gravity finishes the work.
The product finally takes shape.
This is silky starch. Before storage, temperature must settle. The journey nears its end. From root to powder, entangling. This is modern starch production. Precision never sleeps.